And it looks like at this time there will be no more boarding. If you and your party have not yet crossed that yellow line, please do not do so. Another tram will get here shortly. Once again, there is no more boarding. Please remain behind that yellow line. There is another tram right behind us. It looks like this tram is now getting ready to depart. Please remain seated with those doors closed. Driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And surprise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
For your enjoyment, Disneyland will remain open tonight until 12 a.m. midnight. Disney California Adventure will remain open until 10 p.m. And the tram will continue running 1 hour after that latest park closes. Driver, you are clear.
We are now en route to the Disneyland Resort's main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, our one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the original Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. To provide a more enjoyable experience for everyone who visits, smoking and vaping are not permitted in our theme parks, the Esplanade between the parks, or in the downtown Disney District. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland's main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time.
Please remain seated with those doors closed until this tram has come to a full and complete stop. And I have indicated that it is safe for you to exit to the driver's left-hand side, and that's the driver's left-hand side only. Please gather your belongings, lower your head, watch your step as we exit to the driver's left-hand side.
Alrighty, folks, like lower your head and watch your step. Welcome aboard.
Hello, everyone. This is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram. Traveling to the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures.
Get in.
Please lower your head and watch your step while boarding. Please place young children toward the inside of the tram, away from the sides. There may be no lap sitting, except for very young children who are sitting with their parents.
Boss, you can.
Children may not ride in strollers. Strollers should be folded and safely stored before we leave. As a courtesy to other passengers, we ask that there be no eating, drinking, or smoking on board. As a reminder, this is the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram, serving the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. We'll begin our trip shortly. Thank you.
When my guests on board, this tram is now ready for departure. Driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving. And supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados, con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro, mientras el tranvía está en movimiento. Y vigilen a sus niños. Gracias.
Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Cigarettes.
Hey, driver, you are clear.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. You'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today. Just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you that our guest parking areas have a speed limit of 14 miles per hour. We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right of way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you're walking or driving. We are now approaching the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals Tram stop, which serves the Mickey and Friends and Pixar Pals parking structures. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, lower your head, and watch your step, exiting to the driver's right. On behalf of all our cast members, we'd like to thank you for joining us today. Once in your car, please be sure to buckle up and have a happy and safe journey home. This tram will be returning to the main entrance plaza in just a few moments.
Once again, folks, please remain in your seats with the doors closed until the tram has come to a full and complete stop. I'll indicate when it is safe for you to exit. You'll be exiting onto the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. Alrighty, folks, gather your belongings, lower your head and watch your step, exiting onto the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. Have a wonderful night, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.